Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 75 GMC Jimmy. Really cool modified custom truck, 6-inch lift on it. 35s I believe on it, 1250s. It's a 75, but they modified it with an 81 and newer front hood and fenders, so give it the next generation look to it with a slope fender. So nice paint job, got a good shine to it, a good quality job. I showed a couple imperfections in the pictures in the tailgate where they've got some runs, but otherwise the rest of it looks good. But custom, well, these are probably original seats, but custom interior, custom door panels, custom rear panels, custom dash. So and like I said, DAKOTA digital gauges. So got the electronic speedometer. Like I said, one little chip right here. New exhaust, got the electronic fuel pump. So here's a run I was talking about, so this could get wet sanded. And then there's a run right here. So you could wet sand them out probably. A lot of new weather stripping, there's custom gas cap. So really nice truck, cool truck. They left it unbadged, so give it that sleek look. So any questions? 605-695-7391.